on what I suggest. What we need in Nigeria now is an Igbo president. An Igbo president. You want to create a job for youths? Get an Igbo president. The Igbo man by nature knows how to do business. So if he adds academic to it, he will know how to create jobs. But let me tell you the problem. When the Igbo man becomes president, the person that will remove him is an Igbo man. When there was Senate presidency, that was the first time in Nigeria. In 4 years, we had 5 Senate presidents. From Emwerem to Okadigbo, Okadigbo, Nnamani, Nnamani, Payosanyim. Igbo brothers kept removing themselves. The problem with the Igbos is that they fight themselves. That is why Masob can say, I'm not part of IPOB. IPOB can say, we are not Idigbos. Even if Masob is not part of IPOB, Idigbo is not part of IPOB, you don't say it publicly. You don't fight your brother publicly. Have a quiet meeting and address the wrong things you think are being done. That is why I cannot insult